Hey guys, Szenan-Balance from AcuTCM School, and I'm going to show you only 2 points. One is ST36 and the other one is ST36 to treat neck pain and headache. Let's have a look at this video.
So would you be able to tell me, so what happened right now? I can see that both they get uneven. So what is your condition today? Neck pain?
Yes, I have the neck pain, bit of dizziness, and yeah, just feeling uneasy on my feet. Bit of nausea at times.
Nausea at times?
Yeah.
How bad is the neck pain if you turn your head? Out of 10, how bad is it?
About a 6 or a 7. It has been worse.
Over here. Can you show me exactly where it is?
It is here.
Okay, 6 or 7, all right?
Yeah.
Have we turned the other side? Where exactly the pain?
It's not as fierce as the other side, so it's
Okay.
about a 3.
About 3 on that side.
Yeah.
What about if you make head forward?
That's okay.
That's okay. Backwards?
This is okay.
This is okay. All right. Then, according to that, we're going to get some treatment and we'll see how we respond. I did 1 point on stomach 36. So, how is the pain at the moment? You turn that way.
It's about a 2.
Down to 2.
You're major.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you're magic.
Thank you. This is just acupuncture. Simply acupuncture. How's your headache?
I don't think I have one.
No headache. And neck pain down to 2. Okay, now we're going to do another one over here. Spleen 6. Spleen 6? Turn your head from side to side.
That's great.
Any pain?
Just a little tiny pinch when I go back this way.
Okay.
A little tiny pinch.
You go more further now.
I know. I can feel it's great.
Just tiny pinch in there.
Tiny pinch.
Just open. Awesome.
So in my April monthly webinar, I introduced 4 points. 2 points, distal point, which is stomach 36 and spleen 6. And I show you how to needle it, right? So that both of them can relieve neck pain and headache. Then 2 more points, that is local point, that can do the same. So in this case, I didn't even need to needle the 2 local points, just 2 distal points, and I get a great result. Now, if you want to watch it, we have replay. So sign up for our acupuncture treatment for 10 common conditions. So the link is around this video. And the main webinar will come soon. We're going to talk about neck pain. Again, I'm going to give you 2-point strategy according to Balance Method Acupuncture and another strategy according to JIYI-Acupuncture. Stay awesome. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.